So welcome back to a brand new video on the V6 Golf Mark IV 2.8 full motion. Lovely car it is. So I've done all the little fixings that I'm aware of that are broken, and now before we actually service it I want to inspect the bodywork. So although it looks alright when it's wet, when it's dry it really doesn't look that great at all. So we're going to go through and give it a full detail on the paint work. So I've got my jet wash out just here. So the jet washer's here, we've got a bucket of water over here as well. I've got my clay bar, so we're going to wash it first, then clay bar it, and then we will cut it back and put some polish on it and protect it. Plenty of work, but it's a little car, not as bad as a van, so it shouldn't take so long. There it is. I have so far, I've just washed it to get rid of all of the loose grime, all that dirt, and then once I washed it I went round with the clay bar and I've clay barred the whole car, and it's kind of left like a little bit of a milky residue on there because that's taken off all the contaminants, all the old wax, all the road tar. So we've cleaned all of that off, and now the next thing, I'm going to do it panel by panel now, just going to give it a quick wipe down, and then we're going to cut them back and then polish with a high gloss. Well, as you can see, rain has kind of stopped play, so I'm going to call it a day for now. I did record a few little clips, so I'll put them on here. Unfortunately, because of time and everything else, I can't actually get it all done myself. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to get Buffer Car Detailing to polish it up and see if he can try and restore this paint, because I think the paint is actually damaged. I think it's got to the stage where it's so old. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure we'll be able to get it back to original, but you know, Tom from Buffer Car Detailing, he's going to give it his best shot, and we'll be seeing him right now. So here it is, Tom's here. He's cracking on already. Didn't waste any time at all. As soon as he got here, he was just like, oh right, yeah, do you mind if I start? I was just like, yeah, crack on. Yeah, the old turd box getting polished. Who says you can't polish a turd? While Tom's up the front doing that, I've been at the back here just polishing up the back exhaust port. Makes a massive difference. Still got the other one to do, but it is actually quite hard trying to remove all that carbon. although you can actually see me, I don't know how well it's going to pick up, but there's loads of scratches. There's quite a deep scratch there. So it'll be interesting to see whether that will come out. It's coming on really well. Rah, that shine. That's amazing.
And the other side's not done yet.
No, I know, that's what I was just saying.
Yeah.
That's mad.
But in comparison, I mean, if you look how many scratches are in there, which is basically none. Go around to the side.
Yeah, there's loads of little scratches, isn't there?
Yeah.
Hundreds of them.
Now away you go. Scratches everywhere.
Covered in them.
Awful there.
And all along there. And...
People put too much pressure when they're washing it. The sponge or whatever.
This is how we do it. We're looking after you, mate. Happy days. So, while we got Tom here, right, before we say anything,
Stay
right,
in my hair. Yeah.
congratulations.
Thanks.
I'm going to be a great uncle.
Great.
No, because Mum said to me, she said the other day, she goes, oh, have you heard? She goes, I'm going to be a great grandma. I went, all right. She goes, yeah, Tom. I went, Tom? Oh, how's he managed that? She goes, Tom's expecting. I went, Tom's expecting all pages.
Yeah, it's not really my job, is it?
I goes,
Well, my bit, it's done.
I said, how did he do that then? She went, well, he is 23. I was like, oh, okay. Oh, bless her.
23.
24?
No.
22?
No.
21?
No.
25?
Yeah.
Oh, no, you're not. Oh my gosh. Make me feel old.
Outrageous.
It's terrible. Don't even know how old my nephew is. Better call you my niece then. It's been a long day. What's that? About 6 hours out here? 7 hours? 8 hours? I don't know what the time is now.
And we're not completely done yet neither.
No, so you just put the ceramic on.
Yeah, it's only a spray wax, but it should give you at least 6 months or so.
Got loads done today. All polished up. Washed. Polished. Well, no, what was it? Washed.
The stages were pretty mad. It's clean.
Yeah, long.
I was giving it a couple of years back.
It has, yeah. If you want to know anything about the products that Tom uses or anything, hit him up. Links down below and on screen.
Yep.
Go check him out. Buffer Car Detail. So, yeah, it's looking really good. It's come up really well. I'm chuffed with that. The camera was actually picking your face up on the reflection. It's amazing.
You'll probably come out tomorrow and it will be all hazy. Just go over it again, wouldn't you?
Yeah, well, I expect it's going to be hazy because of the dampness in the air.
Doesn't help it's hydrophobic neither, so it's just sort of push it out.
Yeah. I'm just looking at it just because it's so tidy, so shiny, absolutely mint. So we're all done now. It's getting late. You can see that dew, the condensation, whatever you want to call it, is starting to gather on the roof. So we're going to have to call it a day now. But what we do is we're going to call it a day with Tom. So thanks, Tom, from Buffer Detail. Buffer car detail. Get it right. Get it right.
All the same thing.
Same thing. So yeah, we'll leave it here with Tom. Thank him and congratulate him as well down in the comments, because you got to. And then we'll catch up with this next, because we'll do a before and after, and we'll do that right now. Save. Well, here it is. The Golf has been polished, and I'm telling you, that looks absolutely amazing. I mean, what a car. I can't believe how lucky I have got getting this. You know, from that Vectra, swapping it with this, absolutely amazing. I'm proper made up, and it looks so good. I mean, it really does look like, I don't know, for a free car, it's not bad at all. And now all that headlining's been done, everything's all back together, everything's all sorted. Absolutely stunning. So yeah, make sure you check out Tom from Buffer Car Detailing, because he's done an absolutely fantastic job, and he has actually ceramic coated it as well. So it's had a full wash, wax, everything, proper detail inside and out. Yeah, happy days. I only come out for 2 minutes just to get a little clip of the car, and I've ended up meeting friends and, well, making friends, meeting this guy in that little Merc there, PJ, lovely lad. So we had a chat with him, and then some other women came over and we started talking to them, and it was a dog meet-up. A weird spot. But I came here because it's a really nice little area. You know, it's obviously, forget the graffiti, but you've got the lovely arches there in the background, and you've got the church and the cemetery. It's a really nice area here. So I thought I'd come down here just to get a few Instagram photos, and I thought, well, while I'm here, we'll have a look at the car, we'll go around the paintwork. There's a few scratches on it, so we're gonna have to get some scratch repair. There is a few dents, 4 or 5 dents around the vehicle. There is a large dent on the passenger sill, and when I say it's a large dent, I mean it is actually quite a large dent. I don't know if we can get down. It's not going to show you, but there is a really large dent down there. Someone's obviously tried jacking it up on the sill, and that's damaged that completely. Right, so I'm going to carry on, get my Instagram photos that I need to get, and then once we've got our Instagram photos, I'll be off. But what an area. I think I'm going to reverse the car up in between the arches there and try and get a decent photo. And then what I might have to do is come down with the T4. Right, so shiny, so shiny. I mean, if I get close, I mean, look how shiny that is. That is unreal. That's completely, it's a different car. Right, do all that good stuff. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, stay safe, and God bless.